Hi friends, let's go thrifting. So we're just going to my local Salvation Army to find some fall trends. I'm really into red right now and immediately saw the red purses, but nothing really stuck out to me. And then this one I liked, like the cell phone holder. Oh my god, I'm going so fast. By the front, they have like more expensive pieces, and you can see that with the prices here, but they are really nice quality or nice brands. There were two real fur jackets. This one was originally $300, I guess, and they were selling it for $100, which honestly $100 for a real fur jacket isn't that bad. We have a really nice vintage bomber leather jacket for $30, which seems kind of pricey, but isn't bad. This I was really into. I just couldn't try it on really, so I picked it up for a second. There was this new blue suede jacket that I thought was really pretty. I'm really into that cobalt blue. A $40 really nice wool coat, but I already have one. And then just some other nice wool coats. That was a leather trench. And then here we get into some vests and smaller jackets. If you guys didn't know, I am 8 months pregnant, so it's kind of hard to pick things up right now and see if they fit or how they look on me. So I'm being really selective with what I pick up, because if it doesn't get over my belly now, I just don't want it. I thought that jacket was cool. With a pair of jeans, I think it would be a really cool look, and like leather boots, but I thought that was a North Face, but it's Champion, so I let it go. And some more leather. There were so many Ralph Lauren sweaters. This one honestly was not that great a material, and it had a fat stain on the front, and it was just too expensive. We're still in the like pricey section right now, where I think they like pick out brands that old ladies and I like. So there's another Ralph Lauren, but I find a better one later, and I'm happy I passed up on the two of those. I thought this one was pretty cool. I just wasn't, I don't know, Henleys don't look good on me. I think if you have, well, on me with my big boobs, I just don't think Henleys look good. I'm kind of feel that way with like V-necks too. I feel like I'm a crew neck kind of girl. Those are my favorite, or like a square neck. And just going around another Ralph Lauren, but honestly the prices were like pissing me off at the front. I was like, who do you guys think you are? This isn't a curated vintage store. Drama. Okay, now we're getting into normal price things. $1.99. I think this skirt is adorable. It is like the cargo denim skirt in like the perfect way, not too trendy, but I just don't know what size I'm gonna be. How many times can I say it? A random slip. I find so many slips and like vintage nightgown kind of looking things that I don't even care to show them all. Of course, I had to look in the baby girl section. This cardigan was so cute, but there was like a poop stain on the back, so love that. I found a lot of cute baby clothes here, and let's go through my haul. So this one's actually a polo Ralph Lauren sweater that was a lot softer and better quality than the just Ralph Lauren one, so I ended up deciding I was going to pick it up. There's that jacket again. I think this is a really cool jacket with a pair of jeans and boots, but I know it's going to look awful on me right now, so I just couldn't decide. I'm kind of regretting leaving this, but I know I don't wear turtlenecks. Just the cutest baby clothes ever. I love polka dots. I love bows, if you can't tell. That's just like a good one to have. It's got that like open bottom. Oh my god, that is the cutest thing I've ever seen for the summertime. I decided to leave that because it wasn't the softest material ever, and I really try to only pick super soft things. Again, this one I was just like, it's not soft enough to my liking. And then these footy pants, because footy pants are just so good, and that's so easy. I didn't talk in there at all because I think it was like senior day, so there were a bunch of seniors, and I was uncomfortable, and they were like looking at me like I was crazy. Oh my god, that hand sanitizer smells like SHIT. But I'll do a try on of what I got. I got one sweater, and then I got a bunch of baby clothes because, if you didn't know, I am 8 months pregnant. So it was way more fun looking through the baby clothes. Like, I just don't care about buying clothes for me right now. But I like still looking and showing you guys what I do find. A lot of sweaters, and I paid $10 for a Ralph Lauren sweater, which In my head at the thrift store, I was like, that's so expensive, but they're literally like $200 online. So I was like, okay, get a grip, Lainey. Like, that's a really good deal for a high quality sweater. And it was like a good fit, a good color, and I liked it. There were a bunch there. But, oh, I wanted to read you guys the list I made of what I was looking for. Also, do you guys like my new car? I got a minivan because I am a mother. So I said I wanted to look for long maxi skirts and dresses, but I just can't see myself getting a long maxi skirt or a long maxi dress that has like a zipper or button, because I don't know what size I'm gonna be in a month or in 3 months. Like, I don't know. So if it's like a stretchy fabric dress or skirt, I'll get that, but I want it to be to my ankles. I'm very picky about that. I'm looking for knit sets. I don't think I'll be able to find any at the thrift store, but whatever. Knit pants, quilted jackets, stripes, and riding boots. I have one more place we're gonna go to, and then I'm like debating what to do. I'm gonna go home first. I'm tired. No, we'll go to this first place and then we'll go home. Okay, bye. The second thrift store was a very quick trip because it was just super crowded. But I immediately found this long denim skirt that I thought was amazing. I already have one, but I just wanted to show you guys. This one was $6. I didn't recognize the brand, but if you are in the market for a long denim skirt, seriously check the thrift store. I like that tiered one a lot too. I found a long black one, which, like I said, is what I was looking for, but I just think it's gonna be too big after the bump, so I decided to pass on it, and I knew I wanted to wear it low-waisted. It would have just been way too long. I'm sitting right in front of a drive-through line so everyone can see me, but I literally couldn't care less. Remind me to never go thrifting on a Tuesday again. I think it's Senior's Day, because that thrift store was also packed. And I mean, the good thing is that normally they're not really going for the same stuff as me. I don't know, unless they're like super cool, because I'm just so cool. I just can't film. That thrift store, the prices are disgusting. I didn't go to the cheap one today because I've been there like a few times since. But okay, these were 99 cents, which is good. Like, they came in their own baggie and everything. They're just Winnie the Pooh slippers. How cute. Honestly, all these people, oh, he's got his pity. All these people get a free show. Okay, so we got that, 99 cents. And then I got this for her. This was in the boys section, but I just like it. Polo, sweater, lime green. Obviously will not fit her for a while, but that was $4. And then I got one of those long dresses that I was talking about. I found one. This one still has the tags on it. It was $40. So they priced it $10, which I was like, it's a vintage brand and it's exactly what I wanted, so So since it's what I wanted, I decided I'd pay $10 for it, because I don't know when I'll find it. And it's kind of like the Skims dress. So I'm gonna go to my parents' house, walk Ernie with my mom, and then I'll go and film the rest of this video. So see you guys in a bit. I like that it fits me right now, the 8 months pregnant, and it doesn't feel like too tight or anything. I can definitely wear this, you know, now with a sweater over top, and that's what we're gonna do. But I also think once my bump is gone, this will still just be a really nice thing to have. I love the length of it. Honestly, even the top is nice. I wasn't really going for like a nice cut top because I was like, oh, I'm gonna put the sweater over it. Let's put the one we just thrifted over it. I put this in the dryer, but I'm cold and I think it's okay. This might be something I wear once the bump's gone with like a pair of jeans, because I just think it's a little too tight. I don't know, it's kind of hard to style things with a bump. It's not my favorite, like my bump right now, but I do think it's a really nice sweater with a pair of jeans. I wish I could show you guys that now, but I can't. We might try and style this, but like, I just don't think it's gonna look good right now with the bump. We need to use my oversized sweaters. So there were actually two of these at the thrift store. This one is Polo by Ralph Lauren, and then there was just a Ralph Lauren one, and I actually think, correct me if I'm wrong, I think Ralph Lauren is more expensive than Polo. I think Polo is cheaper. Maybe that's wrong. This one was so much softer than the Ralph Lauren one, so I picked this one up instead, and you'll see like in the video I swapped them. Again, I'm bringing two options. Since we didn't get a lot of pieces, but I'm just trying to be better about like not feeling like I need to create a haul for you guys every time I go thrifting. Sometimes you go and you find nothing, and sometimes you go and you find a million things. I love the neckline of this sweater. This is from Everlane. I think that's better looking. I think I'd like this dress better with the bump if it like stayed tight down here, but that thrift store doesn't have any dressing rooms. Let's do, oh, do I not have, oh yeah, I do. We'll dress this one up a little bit. Oh, like these little kitten heels that are from Clark's actually, but I thrifted them. I think that this is such a fun look. Should I have kept the socks on? Like, this is so old lady, but also like absolutely adorable. I'm not used to having an 8-month pregnant belly, obviously. Who would be used to that? But these shoes are so cute. I wore them to my baby shower and I wore them all day. They're so comfy because they're Clark's. Let's try it with the socks. Cute. Also, what would be cute? These I thrifted, well, I got off Poshmark, and they don't zip all the way up my calves right now because, you know, I'm gaining weight. But again, I am obsessed with this length of a skirt. I think it is so much more flattering and just makes you look a lot longer. And I love these boots, the height of them. So long boots or knee-high boots with a long skirt is the way to go. But if we want to dress it down a little bit, like, see how cute? I think this is such a cute look. Very cute. If it's warmer where you live. This sweater just feels a little bit more casual. I thrifted it, but it's from Izod. Like, that's cute, but let's keep dressing it down. We could do cowboy boots because, again, that will just make it feel a bit more fall appropriate. Like, I like how that looks. This is honestly how I'd probably wear it majority of the time, is with a super baggy sweater like this. I have so many like this in my closet. I mean, like, I know I look pregnant, but I don't look that pregnant in this outfit. I can always pull it up though. And just some Sambas. I think that this is a really cute fall outfit. And because pants are just like not very comfy, this dress is honestly comfier than like wearing sweatpants because there's just no band. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'm sorry, you guys, that I didn't thrift a lot. It's hard to find things that fit right now, that will fit in the future, because I don't know what my body's gonna look like. I'm not into overconsumption. That's that. I love you guys the absolute most. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.